I'm Debbie Warren. I'm the founder, president, and CEO of RAIN. We provide supportive services to people living with HIV and their families. We're awfully proud to be included in this year's Giving Guide, and we hope this year to receive gift cards to grocery stores and low-income stores. And we also hope to get cash contributions in to fund our services, and we also need bus passes. We're grateful for all our contributions. We always need volunteers, and you can look up our information at carolinarain.org.